Scoby here. I'm in Spain, in Cartagena, exploring the beautiful streets of Cartagena. And here, it's amazing already. Can you hear the melody behind me? The saxophone? Yes, being played by the lady behind me. It is happening almost, I think, all the time here. Beautiful. So, we're gonna explore the beautiful streets together. As you can see behind me, this place just looks amazing. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel and you're watching this, kindly subscribe to the channel, help the channel grow. And if you have subscribed and you haven't hit the notification button, kindly turn it on so you don't miss the new episodes that I'll be doing more often. I'll be bringing you new videos more often, daily videos. So turn on the notification button so you don't miss World Europe Tour and World Tour. I'll be going to many places. Like I said, I'll be your camera, I will be your eyes to show you this amazing stuff that happens around the world, different cultures and beautiful places. So let's enjoy the tour. We enjoy the amazing places together. This is just so nice. Look at that. Look at that. Feel that. Are you feeling that? That was nice. She plays good music. Okay, so we're gonna walk the streets. So enjoy. Subscribe to the channel. Like, share, comment. Share your thoughts about the channel. What you think I should be covering more. And if you're someone who loves traveling, you love nature, adventure, this is the right channel for you. You're at the right place. Subscribe. Yeah. It's just so amazing. It's fun doing this. Seeing new places every now and then. See the beautiful streets of Cartagena. It's a narrow street, but amazing. It is amazing adventure. So I will try to find. Yesterday I went to Hilltop. Yeah, that was a good adventure. That was Malaga, still in Spain. I went to the Hilltop to bring you the nice city view. So today I'll also try to find somewhere elevated so you can see the amazing city view. So before I do that, let's enjoy the street walk, okay? So I'll turn the front camera so you enjoy the walk with me together. So like I said, that I'll be taking you around the world to amazing different places so that we share the amazing adventure that I see together. This is just a passion thing. I'm doing it. It's like a hobby, passion. I do it with love, no sponsored. Nothing sponsored here, nothing paid for. So if you're someone who just love raw content, this is raw, no fancy editing, no special editing. This is just a raw content of me and the camera and the highs in the road, yeah? Yeah, so I've seen somewhere, I think it's heading to the mountain. So let's see where it's leading us. If we can find a way to the top. Yeah, I think it's part of a hill, yeah? It's going up somewhere. But the road here is blocked. The road here is blocked, so I will try to find a way on the other side. I believe if I go on the other side, I'm gonna find a way. You see, behind me, that's leading to the hill. So I'll try to find a way to reach a hilly side so we can have a good town view. Yes. So this is just a raw content. Amazing random street walk. Not planned, nothing planned here, just a random thing. Anything I see fancy, I share with you guys. So I will be doing this in bits, like with I will be doing it in short form, like episodes, yeah, from episode 1 to episode 2. Look at that, that's a nice beautiful view. I think I'm in the center of this all, yeah. You see that? This is nice view, guys. This is a beautiful place. Narrow streets, different routes. I don't know if I should take left, center, if I should go right. I don't know which street to take, but I want to I want to see where people are heading, where there's too much crowd. I believe that's where the fun is. I will follow the crowd. This side, we have good crowd on this, and also this side we have amazing crowd on this side. So I will take this one. I will go with this side. Yes, this side looks amazing. So I will take us on this road. This side we explore. I see beautiful places here, restaurants, just like the ones we have in Nairobi, and it's a kind of similar with the ones that I saw in Malaga, Bilbao. The same setup, the street same setup, the style narrow streets, which looks amazing. It's colorful. And one thing I love about Spain is the cleanliness. Yeah, the streets are very clean. As you can see where I'm walking, tiles. I've been walking for a few minutes now, and everywhere is tiles. Yeah, you don't see soil at all. You don't see the soil, the dirt. Yeah. So this is a good experience, amazing experience here. So if you are watching this and you like the content, subscribe to the channel. Let's vibe, let's connect, yeah? Share your thoughts, comment, yeah? Comment to the channel, hit the notification button. Yes, I will be going live soon. Like I told you, I'm still figuring out to use this YouTube. It's something that I'm not good at. I've not been doing it for a long time. I just started like recently, and so far it's fun, engaging with people, showing people the world, the amazing places. They're just so good. So I'm here. This is where we reach now, and I think I made the right choice. This place looks nice. As you can see the area. And I'm gonna go on the other side. Okay. I don't wanna get lost today. I don't wanna get lost because the streets, they look kinda the same. One miss and I'm lost. And finding my way back will take me like hours, yeah? I don't want to go far today, but I will find the amazing content. You see this, guys? Are you seeing this? What I'm seeing? This looks amazing. See, look at the view. Look at this, man. So I've just been told that today, being on a Sunday, there's not too much activity, but most people are outdoors, and most of the places and the public places are closed. So nothing much to do around today. just a random ones.